I just wanted to talk a little bit about the Clutter Boss at-home self-study course. This is a self-study course that I created, and it covers every aspect of clutter in your life, not just the stuff. It goes above and beyond. So there's 6 modules. First off, it comes with this workbook. It's a 200-page workbook. There is workbook sheets for every single lesson. There's 6 modules, there's 50 lessons, and every lesson has corresponding workbook sheets. When you purchase the program, the course, you get the workbook in the mail. It takes a little bit of time to get it to you, like a week and a half. But we print them from a woman-owned business in Connecticut. So you're supporting a local business, 2 local businesses actually, when you get this course. So there's 6 modules, a deep dive into decluttering and organization, space and categories, stuff and shopping, productivity, mindset, and communication and relationships. And for each lesson, there are workbook sheets, there are printable or graphics that you can cut out and post if you need to. There's notes, there are more strategies, there's all sorts of just added extras in this workbook. This is probably the only workbook you can throw out all the rest of your organizing books and magazines that you have purchased. This is actionable steps that can, really get you moving forward. You also get the workbook in a digital format. So if there is one sheet that you want to just print out, you can download it and print it out, and you don't have to rip it out of the workbook. So for example, if you want to maybe use another one of these flow charts because you're going on to another category, you can print out a second copy of that. If you want to print out clutter starts at the store or clutter starts at the door or any of our little Jessisms, or if you want to use them as like backgrounds on your computer, you can download them from your membership site, and then you can use them as needed digitally or print out extra copies. So you have a digital copy, you have a printed copy. It is the most comprehensive self-study course that you could possibly purchase when it comes to decluttering and home organization. So that's the course. If you decide to join Clutter Boss Academy in the future, this course comes with Clutter Boss Academy, and I would deduct the cost, the price that you paid for the course from Clutter Boss Academy in the future. So this is a self-study course. It doesn't come with any additional support besides the 50 lessons, the 6 modules, 50 lessons, and access to your membership site. There's no Facebook group that goes with it, although you have the Prioritize Your Sanity Clutter Foundation's Facebook group. So that always is, that is your central spot for all support within this course also. So this is the Clutter Boss at Home self-study program.